and completely ignorant about everything. The devilish quality is the main ignorance of his own self and the world. Devilish quality is a heinous, jealous, and always try to create troubles in others' lives, try to pull others' leg down. Instead of uplifting his life, he always pulls the life towards degradation. Try to create quarrel between two, try to divide everyone instead of uniting all to the common purpose of love and unity and peace. Devilish always creates unpleasant circumstances and always nurture and oil the passions and emotions and try to fish everything for his own aim, but cannot adjust anyone. It is a being of all disorders, chaos, and never know what is the cosmos. And devilish quality, it is so much powerful that it will always try to wipe out the divinity, but lastly surrenders. So, as Ravana wanted to wipe out Rama, his nature, denying, disrespecting, lastly he was killed by that power. He surrendered. So, the divine quality always wins, and devilish quality fights and fights until it dies in disorder and chaos. Be careful to understand what is divinity, what is devilish, and embrace the divinity and be a divine being to embrace your Lord and have the ultimate salvation, which is the mission of every life, and attain the eternal peace, eternal wisdom, eternal existence, which is called Sat, eternal pure consciousness, what is called Chit, eternal joy, the vastness of own being, what is called Anand, the highest peace, happiness, pure, the bliss. Sat Chit Anand is the state which is the real being of everyone. And the being one is moving with is a falsehood, is a temporary abode for the game of Lord. You finish your game by understanding your mortal self perfectly, how it is tempted by the passions and emotions, how mind is being created, how the heart is playing under different circumstances, how your being is dancing at the tune of your environments, and so many world of attraction and repulsion. Then through that introspection, self-introspection, you will have a power of self-adjustment, taking an idol in your front, and thereby, after your self-introspection and self-adjustment, when your being will be prepared, completely set right, then it has got the power for accepting the light of God. It will evolve from within you, and you will realize that you are not the body, not the mind, not these passions and emotions which are the temporary garments and the temporary colors created by your own actions of the past and the present, and with the inclination for the future hope of the temporary interests. But all these garments will be off. In your naked being you are one with the Lord, which is universal love. You are nothing but that pure being which always wants pure things, pure love, pure food, pure. You are searching pure because you are pure by your own nature. You are loving by your own nature. You are the love, so you search love and to be loved. to love everyone. You want wholeness of everything. Your being is complete whole. So in your reality, you are pure, you are loving, you are ever conscious, you are ever energetic, you are ever glowing with the light of your Supreme, which was hidden, it will come on surface. To bring him on surface of your being, in your words, actions, behavior, and become the reflection of your Father, the Supreme, is your only mission of life, for which you got your family, you got your society, you got your government, you got your meditation, you got your puja, you got your guru, you got your all sorts of rituals or the processes and means and ways by which you can go to the topmost ladder of glory in your life. And I do believe that if you think that you are that pure being and pure consciousness, meditate on it. Meditate. I am not a devilish soul of radiating anger, temper, disorder, dealings, but I am free from all captivations. I am a free being. I am Chirochetanam, ever consciousness. I am Amara. I am ever immortal soul. I am not this mortal soul. It is a vehicle in which I am moving. To see, to enjoy the glory of God, the games of the nature. And you will know the science of the entire nature around you. Nature is the garment of God, and God is the cause and science of all sciences. He is the supreme consciousness. He is the eternal energious form of universal love. He is the all glory with all qualities in every being. He is one with all, and He is the background of all existence. He is the medium. He is the end, beginning, and everything He is. Try to touch Him and enjoy Him in everyone, and everyone in Him, and all in yourself, the mortal, immortal self, you, your real self, and have the highest elevation, fullest salvation. And you will realize that state is the creative cause of creative force, which is Ra, cause of expanding force, which is expressed in a vibration, Dha, and that is the cause of contraction again. It try to come back to its own position, Swa. After completion, you will say Me. And that holy vibration, which is the root of all the vibrations, there is the God Himself. God is sound, the holy name. God is the love, eternal peace. God is the light, the wisdom. God is your own self. Embrace, enjoy, and let your other beings enjoy it and attain eternal peace.